This is where your airbox sits. Just behind here is one of the breather hoses you have to pull off. You won't be able to see it. Just reach your hand back there and just pop it off. Throwing on the rubber grommets right now.
That's for sure.
This was that little hose on the back I was talking about that you couldn't see when the factory airbox was plugged in. So you just attach it to that guy. Right on there. That's how she's sitting right now. This is just wide open for the time being so that I can get the air scoop for the front, but she's all buttoned up. That's how she sits. See how it runs. Dead stop, 0 to 60. Not quite a Ferrari, but not bad.